Hello again, I'm Julie, and can we just say every bit of progress counts? Case in point, we are 6 weeks out. Sorry for the crunchy voice, getting over a cold that just keeps coming back for more. 6 weeks out from the trip to Disney World with my son. And I don't remember the last time I walked. So it is time to uncover this monstrosity that is my treadmill. We're getting there. Hey, there's a treadmill under all this shit. How about that? Yay! Still have to clean off the rack here, but we're making it happen, and folding laundry in the process. Yeah, how about that? All right, very cool. Very cool. Please do not be worried about that arm pressure or blood pressure cuff over there. That's just, I was sick a while ago and had to have it. I'm doing fine, but I bought it, so I keep it there just in case. Mama's okay, but yet another reason to, get healthy. Anyway, it's happening. It's coming along, and I'm so glad because holy shit, there's snow outside and ice, and it's freezing cold. And I'm not going out there in my boots. They're great winter boots, but not for like a big long trek. So let's finish this up and let's see if this sucker still works. I have a treadmill. Yes, guys, I have a small house. I have a really small house and a growing family and too much stuff. That's not what we're dealing with on this channel. So if you feel the need to comment on that, here, take it all in. There's my closet. Go for it. Go for it. Make yourself feel better. This is what matters right here. Well, and getting on it and using it, obviously.